whether AI is, like everyone keeps on talking about AI and how AI can help us. And we all have invested now, like I was talking to us from Hindalco. So he was telling that they are very much ahead in terms of their digital imprint, their footprint and things like that. But still, whether we are there in terms of the challenges we are facing in adapting in AI, how organizations are working and things like that. So here we are so that we can help you in all aspects. We'll talk about how Emergys is and also how Freshworks fits in as a best PSM tool here. Overall, the space is about how you can do this hyper-connected digital enterprise, specifically for manufacturing. Okay, so it is like when you talk about different pillars or different areas where we can look at. One is automated AI agents. There is an autonomous thing here, but then you know that we need a human interference there. You want someone to make sure that the AI doesn't go rogue. So there is a combination of AI agent and a human intervention. Something next to it is a system of intelligence. So when we talk about system of intelligence, it's more about all your solutions, starting from ERP to CRM to ESM to your IT infrastructure, how they are talking to each other. What is your ecosystem looking at? Can we collate? Can we look at something new here? Can we create a value add here? Then comes hyper-connected ecosystem. Now, hyper-connected ecosystem and system of intelligence has little difference. When we talk about system of intelligence, it is more about your product, where your application sits, where your infra sits. But then, when we come to hyper-connected enterprise or system, it's more about your customer, your supplier, your pieces, where you have humans, where you have different asset pieces coming in. So it's more like how you're trying to solve that problem. That will come in the hyper-connected system and how we can create and help it. Now, whenever there is a manufacturing space, we look at Industry 5.0, where it's more of an AI advancement. We look at whether there would be more human AI connection. Can we do something more in that aspect? That is where the Industry 5.0 is going and growing in. So can we do something about it? Those are the areas I think so overall we look at when we look at going to a hyper-connected enterprise, where we can take a benefit out of this. Specifically, as I said, it will be more of a customer-centric thing. It will be how your business outcomes look at. You can improve the error and the defects across your system so that you have a better profitability. So those are the things where you get in. Now, these are my pillars who can help me secure that. How I'll do it. How that 4 things will connect to these 5 pieces, which will help us come to the next level. One is our current system, our current businesses are AI ready. Whether we are more of an intelligent agent network, do we have right RPAs in place? Do we look at rightly in terms of our workflows within our organization? Can we see that our workflows are reaching out to customers? Whether our customers are getting what they want? Okay. Then come to the connected ecosystem. Is again how your applications are talking to each other, how they are bringing the value, say from SAP to Salesforce to a ASN, where you are looking at Freshworks, how it will help me go back and make sure that your field service guy is getting help, or in terms of a sales order exceptions, whether it is getting captured. So how you can get a tightly connected system. Industry 5.0 workforce you need. For that Industry 5.0 aim you have. So basically you want to get that AI ready. So you have to make sure that your organization has a change management in place. When you're adapting AI, when you're having the right workforce to make sure that they are building it. So this is where Emergys can come in. We can help you get there in terms of organization change because we come as a consulting partner helping you reach there. Coming up with AI maturity journey. So how this journey would be, whether we will start just a bang on, or it could be a small experiment. and then seeing that how it will work. And then you build that POC into a rightly generated, result-oriented AI space. So that step-by-step movement, whether you will be able to achieve it on your own or you need a partner for it. Whether Freshworks can help us there. Freshworks has a gamut of AI pieces there with them. Emergys is coming in. We will make sure that you are there. You will be at the right AI space and right experiment will reach the reality. Coming to exactly where how Freshworks can enable in the smart manufacturing. So I've taken some broadly use cases. So one is your IT and OT. So basically, you have different, even if you have the IT system, then you have the OT system and how it supports. So where Freshworks can be a pitch in there. So if you look at AI powered system, AI system is there. Then we have knowledge access. So if you have AI powered troubleshooting, I think so you'll go through some AI demos with Kunal and the team, where you look at how Freddy can help you do that. So it will be an interesting journey where they can help you solve the system right when you're sitting at your place. They can help you make reports quickly. They can help you solve customer problems. End users can reach out to Freddy and get a help on it. Distributor support. Again, a self-service order tracking. Warranty processing. It is automated validation and RMA workflows. So kind of workflow creation within your system where you can get help in terms of achieving fast. Vendor queries. 24/7 AI code. With Freddy, you can do that. So Freddy is integral part of Fresh services where it helps you do the work quickly and more intelligently. Executive visibility, that is how I told you. If you look at how the system is there nowadays, it's more of hyper-connected. We don't want things in silos. We want to make sure that SAP talking to Salesforce and then an ESM thing. So it is all connected. Infra is connected. Discovery is there. Observability is there. Then comes the enterprise workflow. You need to know which services are here is getting hit. So you go by services. So it's a website or an application getting hit. Which are the servers who are reaching out to it? They have D42. It's a superb technology which they have brought, and there are the bigger guys who are using D42. And Fresh Services have that. Freshworks has that ingrained with them. So you need to look at Freshworks very differently, how this technology company is helping us do better. Okay, coming to ESM Mass. I'll just little bit go inside Freshworks again. So what is that as a leader you would require? Okay, in any kind of application. It's like rapid deployment. That's what you look at. You look at the cost piece of it. That if I want to change my incumbent, what I can do for that? Can I go fast? Yes, that is where Fresh Services come into the picture. It is rapid deployment. It has a very intuitive user experience. As I keep talking about Freddy here, we'll come to that. And unified ESM platform, it gives a platform feature where you have HR and other pieces also which can help you. Secondly, total cost of ownership goes down. It is good for us. And overall, the ITSM ITOM space is integrated in this. So it's like two-way piece where Fresh Service can help you across the board. It can help you in terms of your overall cost ownership and also the way it is implemented. It is fast, it is quick. You don't have that much to worry about. Coming to my most important slide, it's like what we call as smart manufacturing. What and how Emergys can come into picture. So if you look at what we have done into manufacturing areas, Emergys as a company has helped in manufacturing innovation, strategic consulting, then digital twin applications. We are part of performance simulations. We are part of virtual factory modeling. We have done production data analytics. We have been part of QoE optimizations. Basically, equipment speed up. How you will try to get there in terms of quality productions, defect detections, industrial IoT, supply chain integration. So we are across board. So if you look at we are working in tons of AI space. We are trying to make sure that we get a consulting, we make sure we start it at the right pace, assessment, then comes a picture where we tell you where exactly you can pitch in, which kind of technology you can come in with. We are partnered with all the vendors with ourselves. We are partners to them. We make sure that you get a value out of it. That is where we come in. And you can look at the gamut of work we have done in the manufacturing area. So it could be advanced robotics, it could be inventory automation, you name it, and we have done it. This is where we come from as Emergys. It's a very strong company. It's headquartered in the US. We are across India. And it could be, again, striking in terms of growing. Emergys is really a growth company and an interesting company to partner and be with. At the same time, Freshworks is something which can really come in and help you quickly deliver. That is what we need to look at. With this note, I want to bring Kunal in, who will help me with Freshworks pieces.